Enter your email address and order number or zip code. Click on the order you want to make the claim. Select the product you wish to exchange or return. Here, you will select the reason for your exchange or return. Select the product you want to exchange, or if you want to return, select the option at the bottom. This page gives the summary of the exchange or refund and shipping information, instructions and information about the product you are returning or receiving the refund. If any amount is due to be refunded, you can select a gift card or the original payment method. If any amount is to be paid, you will receive an email with a link to proceed to pay. Shows the product you are returning or exchanging. Any amount to be paid or refunded. Refund or shipping information. Click on Continue to place the claim. Here, you can confirm your claim. You will receive an email with the instructions, shipping label, printable or QR code, and packaging slip. If you still need any further assistance, do not hesitate to contact our customer service by email, phone, or chat.